There is a very specific type of panic that sets in when you need chocolate, and you need it immediately. No preheating the oven, no waiting, no patience left. This isn't just a cake, it's a 15-minute rescue mission cooked entirely in a single frying pan. Take a look at that texture. Absolute perfection. To get this result on a stovetop, you must use a thick-bottomed frying pan. This is your shield against a burnt cake disaster. Let's drop the butter straight in. Melt 50 grams of butter on low heat for just 15 seconds. Do not overheat it because we have a lot of passengers boarding this pan very quickly. Turn off the heat and dump in 30 grams, which is about a quarter cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Whisk it directly into the butter until it looks like a rich, glossy paste. Next, add 1 room temperature egg and whisk it like your life depends on it. We want a cake, not chocolate scrambled eggs. Pour in a half cup of room temperature milk and a half cup of granulated white sugar. Take your time here and mix everything until the sugar completely dissolves into the matrix. Once it looks beautifully smooth, it's time for the dry ingredients. Add your 80 grams or a half cup of sifted all-purpose flour and a half teaspoon of baking soda. Stir it gently for about 2 minutes until the flour disappears and perfect. Stir it gently for about 2 minutes until the flour disappears and a perfect velvety batter forms. Scrape down the sides with a spatula so no batter gets left behind. Trust me, once you make this, there is no going back to boxed mixes. Turn the flame to its absolute lowest setting, pop the lid on, and walk away for 10 to 12 minutes. Just keep an eye on it so it behaves itself. While the stove does all the heavy lifting, let's make a lightning fast ganache. In a bowl, combine 100 grams of heavy cream, 4 generous warm microwave melted tablespoons of Nutella, and 100 grams of melted milk chocolate. Whisk it into a glossy, decadent blanket. If you don't have Nutella, just use the dairy cream and chocolate. But the Nutella adds that extra magic that makes this taste like $1,000,000. After 12 minutes, lift the lid. Now, it might look a little bubbly and ugly on top right now, but do not panic. Beauty is on the inside, and we are about to cover it anyway. Poke it with a toothpick to ensure it's cooked through. Now for my ultimate secret weapon trick, pour 1/3 cup of milk right over the hot cake. If you are feeling extra dramatic, use chocolate milk. Watch it get instantly soaked up, turning this into the juiciest, most ridiculously moist cake of your life. Pour that glossy ganache right over the top and spread it evenly. This is the most rewarding part of the video, because you realize you are less than 60 seconds away from actually eating it. Carefully slide out a piece and just look at how soft, fudgy, and intensely moist that looks. If you want a taller cake, just use a smaller pan next time, but this wide, gooey slice is perfection. Serve it warm with a giant scoop of vanilla ice cream for that ultimate hot and cold contrast. Make this on my absolute recommendation. Your family is going to demand it every single weekend. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.